Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include steering wheel controls, ultra-low emissions vehicle, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, 3-zone climate control. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2011 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, CD changer, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, home link garage door opener. Come take a test drive today.